Dears, welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is Ionic compounds. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified.
Today, we will learn how to write ionic formula using the criss-cross method. In the Explore section, we saw how Joyce and Clara gave each other markers to have equal number of sets. That happens also in atoms. They gain and lose to form what's called ionic bond. In this type of bond, atoms tend to gain or lose electrons to become stable. This bond occurs between metals and nonmetals. Metals lose electrons, forming positive charge. Nonmetals gain electrons to form negative charge. These opposite charges attract each other by electrostatic force called ionic bond. Let's now see how can we use the criss-cross method to write the ionic formula. The first step, write the symbol of the cation followed by the symbol of the anion. So for example, Al3 plus O2 minus. Step 2. Write the oxidation number of each ion under the ion symbol. In this case, the oxidation number is the charge. So under Al3 plus, we write 3. And under O2 minus, we write 2 because the charge is 2. Step 3. Cross the number with the symbol without the charge. So Al times 2 is Al2. 3 times O is O3. So the ionic formula is Al2O3. In this rule, we have special cases. Let's take the first one. If one or both ions carry the charge +1 or -1. In this case, the number is ignored and is not written in the formula. Let's take the following example. If we have Mg2 plus and Cl minus. Under Mg2 plus we write 2 and under Cl minus we write 1. Now cross the number with the symbol. So Mg times 1 is Mg. So we don't write the 1. 2 times Cl is Cl2. So the ionic formula is MgCl2. Let's take another case. If both ions carry the same number, this means that they have opposite charges. In this case, both numbers are not written in the formula, like in this example. Ca2 plus, O2 minus. Under each ion we write 2 because the charges are +2 and -2. Now cross the numbers with the symbols. Ca times 2 is Ca2. O times 2 is O2. But instead of writing Ca2O2, we can write CaO because the numbers, they are equal. We will move to the third special rule. If one ion is polyatomic, we must use brackets before adding the number. This number should be greater than 1. If it is 1, then we do not use brackets, like in this example. Al3 plus, OH minus. Under Al3 plus we write 3, and under OH minus we write 1. Now we cross. Al times 1 is Al. 3 times OH. Now we use the brackets because we have polyatomic anion. So we place brackets and multiply it by 3. so OH3. Let's take another example on this case. As we said, if one ion is polyatomic, we must use brackets before adding the number, and the number should be greater than 1. So let's do it. NH4 plus, SO4 2 minus. Under NH4 plus we write 1, and SO4 2 minus we write 2, and we cross. So NH4 times 2, in this case we place brackets because the number is greater than 2. NH4 times 2. Now, 1 is multiplied by SO4, so we do not use brackets, SO4.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.